This is Vincent with XF Technologies. We're going to go over the back end of the software, which is built in, as this is a touch screen. Alright guys, so the first thing that we want to do is place our finger in the center of the screen and hold it down for about 10 seconds. It's going to ask us for a password. It leaves our warehouse as the password is XFTech123 with a capitalized X. So I'm going to place that in here now. Now this is the back-end settings which we can change, and once again it is password protected as you've seen, so it is secure. Basic information goes over on the system time, the operational time, the management server, if it's hooked up to one, and also the serial number. The network location, if you're a bigger location where you have a centralized server, this is where you would hook it up to. Our network settings is where we can change the IP, the subnet, or the gateway, where we can set up a static IP. Of course, we would hit save on all these options. The next one is the activation password, where I can change my password. So that XFTech123 password, I can put in the old and then put in the new password and the confirmation and then hit save. The user management. This is where I can add users for the facial recognition aspect if it's hooked up to a door, if I want to see if that's the person. So the system, if it sees the face in the records when I came through for measurement detection, it attaches a name to the photo. So I'm going to put in John Smith. Going to say male, going to hit plus for the face picture. Now you want to take the photo without a mask, and you want the person to look center in the screen for a clear shot, and you want to be about a foot away. Take the photo, hit confirm. Now you hit save. Now you can continue to add people. You don't need to leave this screen, so you could do it. It takes about 15 to 20 seconds initially to add people. And just remember, if they have face construction, reconstruction to their face, if they change a huge beard, they're going to have to retake the photo. So our recommendation is to retake the photo every 4 months without a mask. Hit save once again. You would confirm it. Each person you have to do that with. So we're going to go back. The authentication scene. This is where we can say, hey, I only want this device to measure only. That's the first option. The second option, face detection and temperature measurement. This is where I want you to look for the face to see if you know who the user is. So like I stated, if I want to attack my temperature to Vinny, I would put my name in there as Vinny, and then it would automatically link the data with that. If I turn it on to face recognition and temperature, that's going to be used for like a door, electronic door when it's hooked up. So it's going to have to recognize my face and my temperature to be able to unlock the door. I can also enable mask detection here. If you want to enable the safety helmet, you're going to have to enable that in the web browser, which is the IP of the device. I can also change the temperature unit from Celsius or Fahrenheit, temperature range, temperature alarm threshold. So currently it's set at 100.4 degrees. So if somebody came in anything higher than that, it would set up an alarm, whether it's through email or through the guard station. And then if I change anything, once again, I hit save. And then device management, if we have a issue where tech support, the device is not functioning correctly, or you forget a password, or, well, if you forgot the password, you wouldn't be able to get into here. But if you ran into a problem where you tried to restart the device, or you can restore the factory defaults, including it'll delete all the users, it'll delete all the network savings. You would select this option and it would restart the device. Now, beware on that because all your settings are permanently gone. And that's the back end of the unit.